Good morning. We're going with the cable car today to the mountain of Mannlichen, and then we're going to walk all the way down. That's where I'm going wrong. I should be doing that every morning. That's our target this morning. Let's go. That is the Eiger, and that is Jungfrau. Wengen, where we've been staying. That's where we've been, and we're now going to head towards
Kleine Scheidegg.
That's the one. Eiger. No, I mean Eiger. Our hotel is great because every morning at our breakfast table we've got sandwiches ready for us. Good. Sandwiches, a snack and a piece of fruit. All part of the service of our hotel. Isn't that marvellous? Great stuff. Okay. What are you looking at, Ray? Oh, it's a good view, isn't it? Oh, we're both on the swing. That's great fun. Whee! We've reached our goal. Kleine Scheidegg. Kleine Scheidegg. Kleine Scheidegg. Pardon?
You've put me off.
Go.
Kleine Scheidegg.
Kleine Scheidegg. Sein. It's a lovely place anyway. That's where we're going. Cheers to Switzerland. Cheers, Elaine.